Buy, refurbish, refinance strategy can be done in so many different ways. You can buy, refurbish, refinance into an HMO. You can buy, refurbish, refinance into a care home. You can buy, refurbish, refinance into assisted living, and you can buy, refurbish, refinance into even service accommodation, and the list goes on and on. Now, a lot of people often ask me, why should we do it? The fact is that when you're looking to be a property investor, it's quite important that you find everywhere possible to add in value. Now, when you add value without the need to selling or flipping that property, means that you sell the property to the next buyer to get the money out. For me, it makes ultimate sense that you can go back to the bank, you can go back to a lender, a mortgage provider, to value the new property that you bought and you added value to it at the new value. So for example, a property that you bought at £150,000, after doing all the refurbishment, meaning adding value to it, the property is now worth about £200,000 or £250,000. It makes ultimate sense, for example, to be able to get a mortgage on that property at the new value and then getting 80% lending or 75% lending and getting most money out as much as you can. And this is one of the reasons why I love it, because being able to go back to the bank and put a loan on the property at 85%, 80% or even 75% loan to value, without the need of selling it, and that same property produces you cash flow month in and month out, whether it's an HMO, whether it's a service accommodation, just makes ultimate sense. So if you want to learn how to do this, and obviously do it to make profit, do it to make sure that you have the appropriate yield on your return on investment, there'll be a link somewhere around this video where I'm offering a free masterclass to talking about the multiple property strategies that I've just mentioned. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. My name is Dr. Daniel. I'll see you on the other side.